So hello friends, welcome back. Today we have another question for JEE Mains in Advanced. So this is from physics this time, and the question goes like this: there are two circuits, and one circuit has an inductor of L 10 millihenry. Yeah. So voltage is 5 volt, resistance is 5 ohm. Similarly, we have another circuit, voltage 20 volt, resistance 10 ohm, and L is 20 millihenry, and there is mutual inductance of 5 millihenry in between. Okay. Now till the steady state is reached, we need to find the work done by the batteries. Now we know what steady state is. Steady state means current becomes steady, right? So what will happen at t is equal to 0? At t is equal to 0, current will start flowing, but the flux will change in the inductor, and inductor opposes any change. So at the starting, it will oppose so much, and after some time the current will become steady. It will behave like a normal wire. So at t is equal to 0, the resistance offered by the inductor is infinite. So high, resistance offered by it is so high. But after some time, it will behave like a normal wire. Yeah. So till that time, what is the work done by the battery? We need to find out. So obviously, all the work done will be consumed in opposing these inductors. Basically, the opposition offered by the inductor will be the work done by the battery, right? So we can calculate that, and so what do we have to do? First of all, we have to understand the process. Suppose current is flowing like this. Current is flowing like this. If the current flows like this, there will be magnetic field. There will be magnetic field like this. Okay. So when the magnetic field goes like this, there is another inductor here. Magnetic field is entering this way, and due to this current also there is a magnetic field this way. So both the magnetic field are in the same direction due to this L1 and this circuit. So both the magnetic field are in this direction. That means the EMF, net EMF, will oppose both. Similarly, if you see for this, so current is going like this, magnetic field is like this, and okay, so current is going like this. Sorry, current is, so I am erasing this. So similarly, if you see, so current goes like this, and magnetic field due to this is like this. Yes. So in our circuit, the magnetic field is like this, and due to the current also the magnetic field is like this. So this EMF, back EMF, will oppose both the magnetic fields, right? It will oppose both the magnetic fields. So I am erasing this. That means our EMF net offered by the first one, it is L di1 by dt, that we already know. But due to this also we have plus M di2 by dt. Since the EMF in the first circuit has to oppose both the magnetic fields, we are adding them. So this we need to take care of. It is due to the orientation of the batteries. Okay, so I hope it is clear. If it is not clear, you can mention in the comments. I will explain again. So I hope it is very clear. So current is like this, the magnetic field goes like this, it will oppose. And current is like this, so it is already opposing. It has to oppose both, it has to oppose both. Similarly, if I write E2, it is what? L1. So L2 di2 by dt due to self-induction plus में mutual induction di1 by dt. So EMF into due to its own current and due to the mutual induction this current. So this is the net EMF E1 and E2 in the circuit. Now what will be the work done? So work done will be E1. So work done is basically what? Power into time. Yeah. So V into I is power. So E1 into my I1 into dt integration. Similarly E2 I2 dt integration. So we can write here, putting the value, dt gets cancelled. So what we can write? L1 di1 into I. So basically L1 I1 di1, and here we have M I1 di2. Again from this side we have what? L2 I2 di2 plus from this side we have M I2 di1. Okay, so this becomes what? This becomes L1 I1 square by 2. This becomes L2 I2 square by 2, and this combined it becomes M integration of what? So it becomes I1 d I2 plus में. So that means derivative of I1 I2. So derivative of I1 I2 is what? I1 di2 plus I2 di1. That means the integration of this. After integrating it becomes what? Simply just I1 I2. So this is the net work done by the battery. This is the net work done by the battery. Now we can put the values. What is the steady current here? So the steady current here is 5 by 5, that is 1. And L1 we already know. Okay, so I am solving it here. So work done will become 10. So we have to calculate the work done in millijoule, I think, in questions. Okay. So L by 2 into I1 square, that is 1 square, 5 by 5 into 1, basically 1. Okay. Plus में L2, it is 20 by 2 I2 square, which is what? 2 ampere current, that is 4. Okay, I square 20 by 10 is, so in steady state it behaves like a normal wire. So in steady state current is basically this only. Plus में M, that is 5 into में I1 I2. So I1 is 1, this is 2, that means 2. Let us calculate 5 plus how much, and 40. Yeah, this is 10. So answer becomes 55 millijoule. So this is the correct answer. I hope the question is clear. So EMF self induction is LdI by dt. Yeah, and the mutual induction is MdI by dt. But due to the that current, you have to add or subtract. It depends on the direction of magnetic field. If both are in the same direction, EMF has to oppose both. Yes, so this is the funda, and this is the answer. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comments. We'll discuss. Okay. So thank you so much for joining again, and we'll meet in the next class. Till that, keep practicing. And for any general info about IIT preparations, etc., you can also comment. I will definitely help you out in all the possible ways. Okay. Thank you so much.